This is a high-intelligence era and will also be the future of everything. With the wave of smart city construction, the market space of smart city terminals will have unlimited prospects. In October 2017, Tecnon Smart Display Technology Shenzhen Company Limited was born. Since its establishment, Tecnon Smart Display has rapidly emerged relying on the core industry teams, 14 years of LED industry product, market experience, and Tecnon Lighting's listed platform. In just 4 months, Tecnon Smart Display became the first brand of outdoor LED poster, LED street post screen, and outdoor naked eye 3D advertising display, highlighting the unique charm of the company to be outstanding. Tecnon Smart Display has been following the global thinking model, clearly positioning the international market and outdoor market areas. Focusing on outdoor LED advertising players, LED post screen, outdoor naked eye 3D advertising display market segment, all-around implementation of brand marketing strategy and technological innovation line. At the same time, the company serves the mass market and builds a benign product ecosystem. With stable quality, easy operation, excellent price, and shareable, and popularizes smart city terminal products to the masses of people. Tecnon Smart Display took Huawei and Apple as an example for learning. With R&D and marketing as the core, he first put forward a smart city terminal and exhausted the current new materials, new technologies, new processes, and new concepts to break the traditional LED display screen production mode, starting with the product parameters, appearance, functions, software service systems, etc., to achieve the ultimate product, a high-quality, quick-to-install, retail standardized product system has been implemented, and it assures a responsibility and mission for the era of big data advocated and pursued by the country. At present, Tecnon Smart Display has taken an industry-leading position in major application scenarios. At the same time, he has also established long-term cooperative relationships with strategic companies and well-known enterprises, such as ZTE, Huawei, Hikam, and Dahua, in order to improve the user experience. Tecnon Smart Display has established a complete service system to provide customers with one-stop service, forming a pre-sale, sales, after-sale full-service professional, standardized service capabilities. Customer satisfaction has always been at a high level. Sharing wisdom feast to win the future of commercial display. Tecnon Smart Display, to be outstanding.